While this could actually be added in one line of code, we'll spread it out for readability's sake. The getAccess is a float that we receive from Unity's input class. Which returns or gives us a value from -1 to 1, with the default position as 0. We're going to multiply this value by our speed, so let's create a new value to do so. We're pulling the input class from Unity's namespace, the using command above. On mobile devices, this class also gives us access to touchscreen, accelerometer, and GPS positioning input. To actually control our character, we need to change its position with this new variable. We'll do this with a physics simulation via the rigid body component. Okay, let's test our game. Uh-oh, looks like we got an error. The name control speed does not exist in the current context. We can read the line number on where the error occurs or double-click on the error and MonoDevelop will open the line which it declares illegal. Seems our problem is spelling. This is an easy fix. Let's try again. Looks clean? Let's go. So looks like we actually created something.